guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we're a sneaker review and unboxing of the Converse All-Star BB TRILLIANT WONKA. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, it helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this, so thank you. Let's go, and today we've got a look at the WONKA collaboration with Converse. And of course, for those that don't know, there is a film currently out in cinemas. It's the WONKA film, which is a prequel to the Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory, or Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, depending on who you are and when you watch this. So this is their collaboration with Converse. They have done a Nike Dunk. I think that was specifically for Wonka himself, Chalamet. I think that's how you pronounce his name. All that said, this is inspired by Willy Wonka's clothing. So for those that don't know, Willy Wonka is a character from the Roald Dahl novel, and he is a chocolate factory owner, and this is probably the patterning of his jacket. And you got the big Wonka logo there with the Converse. And just before we do the unboxing, we'll tell you what sizes we've got. So we've got the size 8, US 9, and it is a 42.5 European. Sorry, forgive me, it's a UK size 8. And we've got the All-Star BB TRILLIANT in the gold velvet brand, gold colorway. Here they are, All-Star TRILLIANT. So this is obviously just a Converse basketball sneaker. Who's Converse? I think Kelly Oubre Jr. from the 76ers, he's with Converse, so you might see him wear these. And what really surprised me actually, so we'll get into the detailing, but there's some technology from Nike. Obviously Nike own Converse, so they can play around with the technologies. And let's give you the details. So we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole unit. You've got multi-directional traction patterning, and it's got the Air Zoom logo. So I'm surprised that this has Air Zoom technology in it. It's probably one of my favorite cushioning systems. Well, it's a cushioning system from Nike, and the fact that they've incorporated it in these TRILLIANTs is pretty dope. So you've got it in this kind of mustard gold color, and you've got the CX Converse logo there, just where the zoom would be. The midsole unit, so this midsole unit is a polyurethane midsole, got foam, and just obviously underneath it, embedded is that Air Zoom technology there on the shoulder board or the sneaker. Looking to the upper, so for those that are familiar with Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory, obviously Charlie himself, he gets a golden ticket, he incorporates the golden ticket, and this sneaker is all gold to give that part of the storytelling. And it kind of has two tongues, so before we go into the detailing, you've got an interchangeable tongue. Well, it's not interchangeable, you can put this, I'm not going to do it right now, but you can put it over the laces or wear like a double tongue, I guess, as most people do. The upper, so the upper is all textile materials. It's all like a foil that's covering it in the gold color all around. It's a very nice effect. At the lateral side, you've got the Converse star logo there and a chevron. And the medial side also, so in the foam, we've got it cut out there. I like low cut basketball sneakers. It reminds me of the Kobe's, which is, rest in peace Kobe Bryant, one of the greatest to ever do it. And this sneaker kind of reminds me of the Kobe's. And so you can see this really elongated slip for your heel, so you can easily slip your feet in. Lacing system, you've got round laces with a quick lace system. The tongue very much padded also with the gold detailing. And in the inner, so the ankle support and the inner of the sneaker, it's all in that patterning, in that maroon wine colour, which is similar to Willy Wonka's jacket. And if you look at the insole, you've got foam insole with the Wonka Converse branding also. Very lightweight, really excited to try these on because of the Zoom Air with Air Zoom technology. And this sneaker looks dope as it is. Unfortunately, we're not going to do a performance review today, but if you are looking for us to do some performance reviews, let us know in the comment section below. We won't know unless you guys tell us. All that said, let's try these on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get a size up to what you usually get for Converse. To be fair, I wear Converse All Stars, you know, the normal ones that everyone's familiar with, and I usually wear 7.5 or a 7. I would have 7 in the Essentials one. But these are a size 8 UK, and that's usually typically a half size of what I usually wear. And I think it fits perfectly. It's quite tight, but that's what you want in a basketball sneaker because you want that lockdown support. And I've got that, I can feel the Zoom Air cushioning, it's very comfortable. It's got that nice bounce to it that I'm familiar with when it comes to wearing Nike basketball sneakers. Obviously this is a pair of Converses. For those wondering what trousers I'm wearing joggers. It's just normal sweatpants that you can get for a weekday. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time.